Hi students, can anyone guess what this number is? No clue? It's the number of active chartered accountants as of today. Any guess what this number is? The 7 lakhs. This is the number of chartered accountants that are required, that are on demand as of today based on the market sources. So any guess by FY 2047, how many chartered accountants are required for our country to cater to the need of 40 trillion economy? Yes, we at least need 40 lakh chartered accountants by FY 2047 as per our aspirations of our country. This is just India I'm talking about, and there is a lot of demand across the globe as well, students, and the demand will be exponential. Hence, the point I'm trying to make here is, with no doubt in my mind, CAs have bright future for next few decades. Two letters you see on the screen, but these are not just two letters. This will make a lot of noise. This comes with big sound, right? A lot of people ask me, is CA hard? Yes, I would frankly say yes. The road ahead won't always be smooth. You might doubt yourself at some times. But remember one thing, every chartered accountant today once stood where you are standing now. Nervous, uncertain, but determined. I myself is an example. I struggled, but I learned the technique and got out of the woods. We'll tell you my story in detail in our further classes as we meet. That would be interesting, my dear students. But four things I would want you to follow to maximize your probability of success in chartered accountancy examinations, which are considered to be one of the prestigious courses in our country. First, consistency. People would say you have to study 14 hours a day, but trust me, that's not required at all. Even few hours with some discipline can make wonders, students. Second thing is, don't try to memorize things. Try to understand the concept, which we help here in SLV Institute of Professionals. Our focus is more on making students understand the concept and have the clarity, which will help them in while writing their exams. Please be curious, ask questions, discuss in groups. That will help. And third, don't compare yourself with others. The other person may have got maybe more percentage of marks that compared to you in their plus 12, plus 2, right? And then in intermediate examinations. But that doesn't matter at all. You have to compare it with yourself. You have to compare it with what a person, what you were yesterday, and don't compare yourself with others. That will not work in CA. And most of the people who are average or just above average students have cleared chartered accountancy in their first attempt. Trust me. I have a lot of my friends, and including myself, who have cleared CA exams with very minimal attempts. Third being avoid distractions. Fourth and the last thing is, today's time, I know it's very difficult for us to detach ourselves from phone, social media, video games, etc., TV, films, etc. But I think we should be self-disciplined with, I'm not saying you should completely avoid it, but at least have some limited time within which you are using these gadgets. Maybe also you can use it for getting the updates on the CA related subjects. Finally, I believe in I finally I believe everyone here can make this and put CA beside your name. So I let us now go to the details of this course and how do we help in getting you succeed in your careers. So I am V Reddy. Welcome you all to the SLV Institute of Professionals. I'm a qualified chartered accountant. To introduce myself. With more than 15 years of experience across industries, I have mentored students towards achieving their goals. I teach accounting and business laws, two subjects in CA Foundation. I'm also accompanied by our renowned co-faculty members for quantitative aptitude and business economics, having more than 2 decades of experience in their respective subjects. Yeah, the next question being why SLV Institute of Professionals? Why not others? In your minds, students, I can tell you there are 8 key specialities that we carry in SLV Institute of Professionals, which differentiates us from others. First, quality faculty, experienced and expertise, qualified CAs, subject matter experts are available for students to get a conceptual clarity in all the chapters. Second, study material and notes. We have comprehensive study notes, summary notes, MCQs that we provide, mock test, past question paper practice, etc. is an added advantage with us. Third being online classes and recorded videos. So online classes, you have also you can attend the online classes, or you can you will be having that flexibility to learn at your own timings by way of viewing the recorded videos. Test series and evaluation, we will conduct a mock exam for full syllabus and then provide you the right feedback so that you are well prepared for the main exam. Class schedule and duration, we give you the notice in advance so that you have structured timetables for your preparation and attending the classes. We will not stretch too much in the classes, or neither we will compress it too low. We will keep it at a good pace. Sixth being fee. I think I can say low fee with high quality. Our objective is to keep our fee as low as possible to make it affordable for all the type of students. Seventh one being special classes. We conduct classes for doubts, Q&A sessions. We clear all the doubts. If there are any doubts, you can write to us as well. We will respond to the email. Last one being mentoring. Our support doesn't end with the course. We support uh, till the time you crack your exams. And please write to us for any questions, any queries. We will respond to you within as soon as what we can do. And then question comes, why only CA? I have a lot of other choices outside. Why do I need to prefer CA course? I would say there are 5 key reasons a student should pick up chartered accountancy course. First being global recognition. A chartered accountant is recognized across the globe. And second being you have the choice to choose your own career path. Say you can go for a job or you can set up your own practice. There's a high earning potential, right, in both of these aspects. Then there's a high demand for CAs. There's a lot of shortage of CAs which you can address, as I said at the beginning. And the last being the reputation, the respect that you get in the society is you can't put that in terms of value. Just like doctors take care of health, right? They are respected very well in the society. We as chartered accountants take care of the financial health of all the individuals and the companies, right? How do you These are the four or five factors why you need to choose CA course and qualify as a chartered accountant. And then getting into the course, we have 3 milestones, as you can see. First being CA Foundation, the first stage, and then which has 4 subjects. And then secondly, Intermediate, which has 6 subjects, 2 groups. And then final exam, which has again 6 papers with 2 groups. In between, before the final, you also have to undergo 3 years of articleship training under a practicing chartered accountant. So by the end of the entire course, you would be coming out as a chartered accountant who is having both academic and as well as practical knowledge, which you can utilize in your careers. So we SLV faculty are pleased to help you throughout this journey. Come join us for the exciting one. These are more details about CA Foundation. When do you register for the course? Soon after passing the 10th standard, you can register. When do you start preparing and start preparing the foundation? Soon after your 10th. Don't worry. You are not too late as well. You can register now and appear for the examination to be conducted in Jan 2026. If you are if you are 12th qualified or PUC passed student. Irrespective of any domain, all the domains are acceptable. You can be a maths and you can be a science student and you can be a commerce student, maths and commerce. Any combination will work. 10 plus 2 will work for you to write the CA Foundation exam. In CA Foundation exam, you can see a pass on the result date only if you get 40% marks in the subjects, all the subjects, and 50% of aggregate score overall. So that's how you will be clearing this exam. Coming to the last topic, the subjects, the 4 subjects. Let us understand more about these papers in CA Foundation. 2 subjects, accounting and business laws, are descriptive papers. Quantitative aptitude and business economics are MCQ papers, objective type papers. So coming to the accounting piece, this paper is for you to understand the fundamental accounting concepts and principles. Basically, in preparation of financial statements, bills of exchange, depreciation, and accounting for the non-profit organizations, etc. All those get covered in accounting paper. And this is, as I said, it is purely descriptive. Second paper being business laws. Objective of this paper is to make you understand the business laws and how do you equip yourself to tackle the the real world issues that relate to these laws. Predominantly covering the Companies Act, Sale of Goods Act, Indian Contract Act, Partnership Act, etc. Third being the quantitative aptitude paper. This includes 3 sections within this: business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics. Most of the students who this might have been covered as part of your PUC or plus 2 syllabus. And this is a MCQ paper again, along with the business economics. This is a MCQ paper. The primary goal is to make student understand the essentials of mathematics and statistical tools, etc. Fourth and the last paper is business economics. The objective is to make the student understand the essential concepts and theories in business economics, both macro and micro, and also the general awareness about the business environment, organization, demand and supply, national income, current affairs. All these topics are covered as part of business economics. This is the MCQ paper again. Emphasis is more on the calculation, how quickly you are able to get to the solution is what matters in quantitative aptitude, and business economics is purely the concepts that you might have learned if you are a commerce student. I mean, this is what we have today. And thank you so much. And we will see you in our live classes. All the very best, students. Signing off. This is V Reddy from SLV Institute of Professionals. See you in the live classes. Thank you so much.